So this is Jack with AAC, and I'm here to go over Rodent Shield, our newest product. So this product is specifically designed for the bottom edge of the home, where the foundation and the subsiding come together. This is a product that we've developed that's specific to the lower entry on the home to keep rodent pressure from actually being able to get inside. So the form is specific to vinyl siding, but the function is not. So when we look at the way this fits, this channel that's up here is going to go in behind the vinyl siding. The face that's here will protect the subsiding, and then this face will be butted up against the foundation. So when you go to install a piece of this, you'll make sure that Rodent Shield is able to be read, so just like you normally would. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it against the foundation, push it all the way up until it hits the subsiding, and then the bottom teeth you'll simply rotate to the foundation. So when you put the piece on, slide it up, rotate it, and then your piece is in place. Now you've got two different options for anchoring this to the home. So your two options for anchoring are to either anchor vertically into the subsiding or horizontally with anchors into the foundation. So very straightforward, very simple. Again, the area that we're trying to protect is the gap between the foundation and the subsiding. So the product will work on more than just vinyl sided homes. It's just that the form is specific to vinyl. But at the end of the day, regardless of what the exterior siding is, it doesn't matter if it's vinyl, aluminum, hardy board, if it's cedar shake, if it's stucco, if it's brick. What matters is that there's exposed subsiding where the foundation meets. That's where you're getting that protection on that inside edge. So specifically designed to the industry to help keep rodents from entering at that lowest level. So couple this with your critter caps and your vinyl corners, and you'll give your customer a lot more bang for their buck in keeping their rodents out.
Thanks, Jack.